Hi, friends and family. Just wanted to say thank you for your moral support after the fire in our backyard. Boy, was that crazy. It happened on Friday the 13th. I got out of the shower, smelled smoke, thought the neighbors might be burning leaves or something on a windy day. But then I looked out the window and saw cars going by slowly looking at my backyard. So my spidey senses kicked in and I ran to the other window and looked out our back window and saw our lawn on fire and moving fast. And the first thing I thought was, wow, maybe the rest of the house is on fire and I'm in it. So I quickly got dressed, called 911, ran downstairs and started hosing down the backyard. Luckily, it was just the grass that was dry. And 2 minutes later, a police officer showed up. Another 2 minutes later, about 10 volunteer firefighters showed up. Thank you, Jeffersonville Fire Company. You were all awesome. They completely drenched our backyard, and so the fire wouldn't start again. We have no idea how the fire started. It was a hot day. It was like 80 degrees and very windy. The bike path is too far away for someone to have flicked a cigarette or something, and nobody was burning anything in the neighborhood. So that's the scary part. We don't know how it happened. It was a zoysia grass that dries out. It's a southern grass that, it just turns into hay during the winter months, and it doesn't even turn green till like June. Two more subjects. Do this diet with me because bikini weather's coming up and I'm a water skier. There's like 5 or 10 pounds I want to lose, nothing huge. I'm going to try Slim Fast. I've tried it years ago. This is not an advertisement. If I'm lucky, maybe Slim Fast will send me a coupon or something. Who knows? But I'm going to do the Slim Fast diet. It consists of about 1,200 calories. You do 2 of the shakes every day, a couple of 100-calorie snacks, whether it's their snack or a banana or a hard-boiled egg or something or a salad. And then you do like a 600-calorie dinner at night. I'm doing the diet on my YouTube channel just so I have somebody to answer to. And I'm hoping one of you friends out there will do the diet with me. We're going to do it all through the month of May is what my plan is. So join me when I start this thing in May. I'll let you know when I'm starting it. I'll be checking in several times a week to let you know how I'm doing, and I will show you the recipes that I found on their website, the 600-calorie or so dinners. We just made one the other night for fun, Jeff and I, and it was the salmon with this amazing tropical salsa and rice. It was so delicious and easy as heck. So if all the recipes are that easy, this is going to be an easy diet to do for a whole month. The final thing I just want to mention is congratulations, Jackie Verna. She is our friend's daughter, and she is on The Voice, which I believe is on every Monday and Tuesday, and it's a live show. She is on there, and last night she was on, and they said that she is their best female country vocalist. So she might just win the whole darn show. You can download some sort of app or something to vote for her, which I think I did last night. I hope it worked. All right, that's all I have. Thank you so much for listening, and do this diet with me. Bah. So I'm not alone in this process. Talk to you soon.